मुशीर कौमी सलामती नासिर जंजुआ ने कहा है कि अफगानिस्तान में तालिबान मजीद मजबूत हो रहे हैं। चीन और रूस से मुकाबले के लिए अमरीका खित्ते में अदम तवाज़ुन पैदा कर रहा है। जनूबी एशिया की सलामती खतरे में है। इस्लामाबाद में नेशनल सिक्योरिटी पॉलिसी सेमिनार से खिताब करते हुए उनका कहना था,
Despite all that we have done, we are even today under a blame. US is blaming Pakistan for siding with Taliban and Haqqanis. And interestingly, Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan is fighting with Pakistan for siding with infidels. Ladies and gentlemen, if Pakistan is supporting Taliban and Haqqanis, that means Pakistan is not only not siding with infidels, but supporting Muslims. This also means that Pakistan, Taliban, Haqqani are one side. The question is, why, after all, Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan is then fighting Pakistan? Can anyone answer? And if Pakistan and Taliban and Haqqanis were one side, why Pakistan could not use them to influence TTP to stop fighting? Why have we lost 60,000 people?
अफगानिस्तान की जानिब से की जाने वाली दहशतगर्दी के हवाले से गुफ्तगू करते हुए नासिर जंजुआ ने कहा,
we have been attacked 130 times, out of which 127 attacks came from across the border from Afghanistan. Ladies and gentlemen, my dispassionate logic and reasoning is that unfortunately, let me say, unfortunately, US has not been able to win the war in Afghanistan. Hence, the blame game. Allow me to say that Pakistan is a morally correct country and on the right side of the history ever since USSR invasion of Afghanistan to the events leading to 9/11. How did we take this challenge? How did Pakistan fought back? Just see the enormity of the challenges that we have had. We were assailed from Fatah in the north, and we were also assailed from Balochistan and Karachi.
नेशनल सिक्योरिटी पॉलिसी सेमिनार से खिताब करते हुए मुशीर कौमी सलामती का मजीद कहना था,
And we refuse to be this. To begin with, our operations in Fatah, ladies and gentlemen, this is Fatah, having 7 agencies. And this is how turbulent it was. There were areas which were controlled by terrorists. We had contested control. We had very difficult times. And one of the commanders of 11 Corps is sitting here, under whom I served. The challenges that we were faced with. And how did we go about? We have been launching the major operations like Zarb-e-Azb, and we have been fighting to seek the control of Fatah. And as of today, we are everywhere, and Fatah is well under control.
पाकिस्तान भर में नुमाइंदगान का वसी नेटवर्क, हर खबर जानने के लिए देखते रहिए TNN TV।